A&D's premium wireless blood pressure monitor is easy to set up and use. To get started, download the A&D Connect app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Create an account by filling in your name and profile information. Add your email and create a password to complete your registration. Now you are ready to pair your device. To pair the blood pressure monitor, make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Select the device in the app and follow the on-screen directions. Press and hold the Start button on the monitor until the display shows PR. In the app, you will receive a Bluetooth pairing request. Press Pair to confirm your device. Your monitor will display End. You are now connected and ready to take your first measurement. To take a reading, relax with your feet resting flat on the floor and your arms supported. Keep your back straight and supported. Slide the cuff onto the left arm. Ensure the cuff is placed at heart level. To take a reading, open the A&D Connect app and navigate to your dashboard. Press the Start button on the monitor. At the end of your measurement, the results will sync to the app dashboard. Click to review and track your results. The A&D Connect app tracks your progress and lets you share your results across all of your mobile devices or with your trusted health professionals. A&D Medical, bringing you the latest technology so you can live a healthier life.